Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make chili cheese fries at home. First, let's get those fries perfect. Start with russet potatoes, cutting them into 1/4 inch thick sticks. Soaking them in cold water for about 30 minutes helps remove excess starch, ensuring a crispier result. Then, fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they're beautifully golden brown and perfectly crunchy. Next up, the star of the show, the chili. Brown 1 pound of ground beef with some diced onions and minced garlic until cooked through. Drain any excess fat, then stir in a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes and a generous amount of chili powder. Let it simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together. Don't forget to season it perfectly. Now for the cheesy goodness that brings it all together. Shred about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese blend. A mix of sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack works wonderfully for both flavor and melt. Once your fries are hot and the chili is warm, pile on that shredded cheese. You can melt it quickly under a broiler for 2 to 3 minutes, or simply let the heat from the chili and fries do the work. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Arrange your perfectly crispy fries on a serving plate, then spoon that rich, hot chili generously over them. Top with your beautifully melted cheese, and feel free to add optional garnishes like jalapenos, sour cream, or green onions. You've just created an amazing dish. Remember to check the description for links to some great deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.